Are you having trouble accessing the battery door on your GoPro 8? I'm gonna show you how to do that in today's video. So I bought this GoPro 8 used, no instructions, and I couldn't figure out how to get this battery latch open. I tried to use my fingernail, try to pry it open, but I didn't want to force it. I didn't want to break anything. So what I did was I took a little flathead screwdriver and I just put it right in there and pried it right open. So that really did the trick. I'm not sure if it was stuck, but I've heard that other people have had the same issue of getting it open. So that's it right there. After a few tries, I was able to actually just use my fingernail and pop it right open. Okay, so that's no good, but this is where your battery is. You also have your charging port here and your mini SD card. Pop that little latch back on, press it down, and we're all set. I hope this video helped you out. Enjoy your GoPro 8. Thanks for watching. Check you on the next one.